Hi guys, in this video I will try to illustrate real life performance of YI Handhel Gimbal. I took it to mountain bike path, and it's easy path, and I attached it to my GoPro chest mount via the bracket I actually designed and 3D printed, and I use GoPro Hero 3 Plus in 60 frames per second video mode. So as you see on the straight lines, gimbal performs actually pretty well, and the footage is pretty nice and smooth. Yeah, I liked it a lot, and you actually have this feeling of flying. This is not really complicated path, as you see, just a single trackish path, pretty easy for mountain biking, a little bit of ups and downs and few turns here and there, but things started getting to be funny when you got into turns. During sharp turns, the camera started pointing out to one of my armpit, essentially, because the gimbal didn't have enough time to recover and regain the right position, right? So if you're gonna have several switchbacks going one after another in quick succession, the camera will be hell of a confused. It's going to be pointing to the right all the time or to the left all the time, depending the direction you are moving. So this was quite a bummer. So from what I saw, camera was actually pointing to the left or after a quick turn to the right, and it was doing that for about 30 seconds. Eventually would recover if you would keep going straight after the turn, but it would take quite a bit of time, and majority of nice footage nice action footage you do when during those nice turns. So and unfortunately, like any other gimbals, you do not have a way of actually adjusting any parameters, because this particular one doesn't have a way of connecting to it. It doesn't have a Bluetooth. Theoretically, stuff can be connected via USB, I do not know, while having some sort of software on your computer, but like it's not so cool when you cannot connect stuff, connect to it and adjust settings from your phone. It'll be so much easier. So this is probably one of the biggest problem and the flaws of this particular gimbal. So unfortunately, because of this, I had to return it. Yeah, I had to return it, and I was looking for a replacement. So if you're gonna use this gimbal with some kind of low action sport, or for example just walking, jogging, walking with your dog, like shooting some video of your friends doing some tricks, that's perfectly fine. But for something like mountain biking, maybe if you do some trail running in forest, I'm not sure if that thing gonna work for you. So I think this is pretty much it. Here's a little bit more footage. You can make your own conclusions, but I made my conclusion for myself and returned it. So thank you guys for watching. See you next time.